With only a few ingredients, we are going to make 2 recipes for fish fillet. We're going to grill and shallow fry. Here we have our basic ingredients, the only ones that we're going to use, no much seasoning, just basic. We're going to mix them together and then rub it on the fillet. As we prepare the fillet, we are also going to talk about the benefits of eating fish. And of course, before we do that, if you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. Kindly consider liking this video, share, leave a comment, and ensure the notification bell is on so that every time we upload a new video, you're notified. On to the benefits. The first one is that it is high in important nutrients, which include high quality protein, iodine, and various vitamins and minerals. And of course, it has omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. The second one is it lowers the risk of a heart attack and stroke. Eating at least 1 serving of fish per week has been linked to a reduced risk of heart attacks and strokes. The next benefit is that it boosts brain health. It has been said before that sometimes when you eat fish on a regular basis, that it reduces memory challenges and emotions. I think at some point when you're in school, people encourage you to take fish, which they say helps you even in remembering what you're studying. Comment down below if you have had this before. For the first recipe, we sliced the fillet into cubes and we are going to shallow fry. And for the second one, we sliced into fingers and we are going to grill. Comment down below with your preferred mode of cooking fish fillet. The next benefit is that they say it may help prevent and treat depression. That is, omega-3 fatty acids may combat depression. But of course, this cannot happen on their own. It is effective when taken together with antidepressant medication. Comment down below if you also believe in that. I have heard before from people that it works, but I have not experienced, but I feel like it can, based on they talk about brain development and all that. So if you have experience, please comment down below. The next benefit is that it contains nutrients that are important during development. This is once again on omega-3 fatty acids, which is essential for brain and eye development. And therefore, it is recommended for expectant and breastfeeding women. Comment down below if you have ever used it when pregnant or someone in your family. If you have any other benefits that we may have left out, comment down below. Let us know so that we can also learn from you. And as you can see, our fillet is ready, and that is our final product. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.